Namaste everyone. Today we are going to find it out the wrong number in the number series. This is the number series. Now we have to find it out. What is the wrong number? Generally we are finding the missing number, but today we are finding the what is the wrong number. Now let's see. The numbers are given 5, 18, 34. It is in this way. Now what is the wrong number? So we try to find it out what is the difference between all these numbers. Now we know that between 5 and 18 the difference is 13. 18 and 34 is 16. 34 and 54 the difference is 20. 54 and 79 it is 25. 79 and 110 difference is here 31, and 110 and 158 the number is 158, the difference is 48. Again we see the difference between all this number 13 and 16. What is the difference? Difference is 3. Again we see the difference 16 and 20 is 4. 20 and 25 difference is 5. 25 and 31 difference is 6. And 31 and 48 difference is 17. So it should be, if it is difference is in the increasing order, in the consecutive order, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that should be 7. But here we are getting 17 difference. So what is the wrong number? Wrong number is 158. So number option is 158. Yes, we come to the second question. Yes, in the second question, the numbers are 112, 128, 108, 132 and 104. It is in this way. The numbers are in alternatively increasing and decreasing. Alternatively increasing and decreasing. So we try to learn the pattern. Yes, now you see 112. With 112 we add some number to get 128. What do we add? 112 plus 16. Then we will get 128. Again, some number will subtract from 128, then we will get 108. That is 20. 128 minus 20, it will be 108. Again, to get 132 from 108, we have to add some number with 108. That will be 24. We get 132. Now we see that what is the manners. Again let's see, because we have subtract here. What is the number we have to subtract with 100 from 132 to get 104? That will be 28. Is not it? So 12 minus 8 equal 4, 104. Now let's see. When we add 16, 24. Yes, it is in this pattern 16 and 24. The difference is 8. Again 20 minus 20 and minus 28 we do subtract. The difference is again plus 8. So when we add, it is in increasing order 24. The next number will be 32. Yes. So 104 to get 134 we have to add. What is the number? If it is in the same manner, 104 plus 24 plus 8, that will be 32. Now we are getting 136. But in the number series there is a 134. So the missing number is 134. But it should be there 136. If you consider that 136 is a correct number, is it true? If we do subtract in the same order, will you get 100? Then 136, you see here we do subtract minus 28. Definitely 28 plus 8 is 36. If we do subtract 36, and we are getting 100. So the missing number is, wrong number is 134. Thank you.